Hi guys, this is Prashant here from prashantpacha.com. In this video, I am going to do a detailed review about EduPay, or you can also call it as an EDU Pay. So this was created by Dan Green, who is a big time affiliate marketer. In a nutshell, what this EduPay product is all about? Well, it is like an Udemy platform in the sense you can create an sales page, website like Udemy where you can sell your own courses or the courses which are already in EduPay, you can sell it. So basically, if you get this EduPay, you can create your own website like Udemy and host your own courses to sell it to your customers, or the courses which are already in the EduPay, you can the done for you courses which are already in the EduPay, you can use that also to sell it as your own course. Everything will be done for you in the EduPay, because if you go for Fiverr, you can see some of them are like you need to pay like $100 to $120. That is only in basic level. If you go for premium, they will ask for more like $200 to $300 to make and to like an Udemy site to sell the courses. Basically, to create a website like Udemy to sell your own courses, they are charging more than $300, but you can able to easily create it in this EduPay. And not only that, they are also in like charging like $100 to $300 same to create an video courses for Udemy. To create an video courses to sell it in the Udemy. But in the EduPay, you will be getting an done for you courses also. For different types of niche, you can use that. You can use that to sell it to your own customers too. So, in a nutshell, this product is about setting up a website like Udemy and host your own courses or the done for you courses which in the EduPay to sell it as your own to earn some money with it. So, if you are interested in this type of selling courses, just click the first link in the description below where you will be landing on to my bonus page. Well, this bonus page is basically created for EduPay to, if you are buying EduPay with my link, then you will be getting customer bonuses from me. Not only that, this bonus page will expire in 3 days, so make sure you buy EduPay before that. Basically, EduPay is about only $27. If you go for Fiverr, they are charging like $300 just for making a website like Udemy itself. But here you will be getting only for $27, including the courses also. There is no hosting fee, there is no web designing fee, nothing is there. You will be getting everything for free only for $27 itself. So if you come down below, you can find the bonuses which I will be giving it to you if you are willing to buy EduPay from my link, which is in the first link in the description below. So my first bonus is about a detailed course on how you can earn $100 a day with just using your mobile. It is a full-fledged training about full-fledged training which will explain you how you can earn $100 per day. My next bonus is about how you can create your own lead capture page, because lead capture page is important to capture the email IDs of your customers so that you can sell your product. Your product or your course or the done for you course which are in the EduPay. You need to sell it, right? So to sell it, you need to collect the customers' email ID so that you can retarget them by sending automatic emails to your customers. So capturing those leads is important. That's why I will show you how you can create your lead magnet page. My third bonus is about brand awareness. If you take any social media, either it is on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, you need to brand yourself as an authority so that you can gain trust by providing value to your customers. So it is important to brand yourself as a great influencer in the market. So I will show you the detailed training how you can do that. My fourth bonus is about Bing Ads. Well, let's say you have the website like Udemy where you can host your own course or any other course which in the EduPay, but you need to sell it, right? To sell it, you need to use some traffic methods to gain traffic to that particular course so that they can buy it from you. So that's why I'm teaching you how you can run Bing Ads so that you can drive traffic to the product, to the training which you are selling. My last bonus about the EduPay vendor bonuses, which is given by Dan Green in the membership site itself, which I'll be showing it to you right now. This is the EduPay software or the membership site. So as you come down below, you can see the here you can see the bonuses which I mentioned it as the fifth bonuses. You can see all the bonuses which has been given by Dan Green. So once you land on to this, go to the account settings where you can able to reset your email ID and password for it to log into EduPay app. Next one is about custom domain. Custom domain is about the domain which you will be hosting it your hosting your website like Udemy to sell the courses. So this is the platform where you can host it. You can get the every training how you can do it in the training itself, which I will show you. And next one is about upgrade account. You can upgrade your own account if you need it. To gain more sales for that. And next one is about create new course. Just go for create new course where you will be creating a brand new website like Udemy to sell the course itself. Just give the course name like something like just say Google Ads and give some course description. Give it as a beginner or an expert. A beginner is a good thing, and you need to give the course name, thumbnail, video embed script, and price for which you are going to sell it and buy button to it. So this is the method where you will be going to create a new course. So click on the create new website where you will be giving a basic information like a site name. Just like Udemy, you can give any other name. I will give my name itself. You can just give Prashant itself. My name, and you can give the site title. Whatever you like anything Udemy or anything, you can give it. You don't give Udemy because it's already there. Sorry. And next one is just give logo and select any niche. You can select any niche like web development, entrepreneurship, game development, IT, online, career development, home business, health and fitness, cryptocurrency, and investing and trading. You can select any niche and create the website. The website will be like this. It is a full-fledged website which is already there. Learn live, learn and live. So it is one of the website which is created using EduPay. As you can see, this is the professional website. If you come down, there are some of the courses which is already mentioned here. So these are the courses which is already in EduPay. You can just directly swipe into your own website which you are going to create. So it is a best way to sell it, and you can also use it for different niches. And not only that, if you go for this land live land and live, this is the website which is I already showed you. These are the courses. You can also create the courses like this, which is all being explained in the training, which I will show you just a second. Here is the training and tutorials. If you click go for training and tutorials, it will be explaining how to use this EduPay app in a full-fledged manner, like how to create a site, how to change your site layout, how to spin your blog post content, editing the pages, banner ads and opt-ins, and the most important thing is how to spin blog post content, because it will give you a great idea how to write and post about the courses which you are going to post it in the website you are going to create. Because with this website post, with this pin blog post, you can able to rank in the top 3 pages of the Google, which will drive an organic traffic to the course so that your customers will buy it. So it is a great thing. So just go through this training. You will be getting a knowledge how to use this EduPay app to set up the website and the courses so that you can sell it. And the website will be looking like this. Once you set up the website using EduPay, the website will look like this. It will be a professional website so that you don't need to worry about any of the hostings and all, because everything will be taken care in it. And not only that, there are some of the courses which is already available. You can directly use it, or you can host your host your own training also. So let's see the EduPay sales page. This is the EduPay sales page. As I already mentioned, you get an easy commissions, no marketing knowledge, no website hosting required. Your chance to get into $350 million industry that is booming right now, because due to this COVID situation, many of the business has been going online to learn something on how to survive how to survive in this world right now, because knowledge is very important. As of right now, many of them are driving into this online learning system. So it is a great way to good time to set this EduPay system, learning system right now, so that you can earn some money, because this software creates 100% automated Udemy like e-learning sites, which is useful for you because everything will be done for you in the site. You can go through this on your own because you have so many testimonials and the things which you are going to need it. Everything has been explained in this EduPay. Not only that, you will also get 30 days money back guarantee also. So there is no need to worry about your money. You just need to spend like $27 to get it. Go through this EduPay sales page on your own time. If you are really interested in getting this EduPay so that you can earn some money by hosting an online e-learning platform of your own, or with the other e-learning courses also. So this this will be launching tomorrow at 10 a.m. EST. So make sure you buy it before 3 days because my bonus will be expired. You can find the link in the first link in the description below. Once you land onto this bonus page, click one of this pink color icon so that you will be redirected to the sales page where you can get this EduPay. If you come for EduPay, so what it is all about? Well, it is an e-learning site like Udemy, Coursera and Skillshare, which are booming right now due to this situation. In a quickly changing economic climate, millions of people are looking to reskill and equip themselves with the knowledge they need to succeed. Forecast puts that online education market has a huge 350 billion valuation, and Udemy alone has over 55 million users. So EduPay is a brand new software that will let your buyers get a slice of a huge pie without any of an hard work from you. You just need to do some simple 3 steps like log into this EduPay web-based software, choose a name for your site of your own, and choose any skill niches, which I already showed you in this video. There are nearly like 10 skill niches. You just need to choose one of the niches and click the button. That's it, you are done. You have now a full-fledged e-learning site filled with Udemy like e-courses about your chosen niche. So you don't need to do anything. You just log into it, give an own name for your site and choose the niche, and everything has been set along with the courses. So no need to do anything, no need to do any hard work. Just that too, just only for $27. And if you come for any of the upsells, like there is $37 which is of pro version, in the sense it has an unlimited access to the softwares, training modules and the website creation. And the upsell number 2 is about daily profits 27, which is of recurring for 27 per month. I think in this upsell they will be getting, they will be giving more courses away. I'm not sure about that. Once you log into it, you will be getting sure about that. Done for you is about 197. There is Ninja training $27 and agency rights to sell this own EduPay course for 197, and white label rights for some of the courses which is of $297. So some key benefits that you will be interested in getting this EduPay is about: you will be getting a done for you site creation in just one click for an entire e-learning site filled with the premium courses just like Udemy. If you go for Fiverr, as I already showed you, they are asking like $200 to $300 just to make an Udemy, just to make an site itself like Udemy. But here you can make an site with just one click with the premium courses also. And there is like a done for you 100% original content created for you, so that you can post on your own personal site to gain traffic to your offers. Done for you 100% commission monetization also, so that you can keep all the money from your sales. Done for your course delivery, customer support and payment processing. Literally everything is been taken care by the EduPay software, so you don't need to worry about all of that customer support and payment processing. And there is a done for you search traffic also. You can rank higher in Google with that done for you content which is already ready for you to post it. And you can also choose any of the 10 niches which is already in the EduPay system. 100% newbie friendly, no complicated setup. You just need to do 3 simple steps. That too is like an one click system only. So everything is already pre-done for you. You don't need to worry about that. So If you come for my bonuses, which I already mentioned to you, first bonus about how you can earn $100 per day with your mobile itself. Next one is about how to capture and lead so that you can mail it to them via autoresponder. My third bonus is about how you can brand yourself as an authority in social media. My fourth bonus is about how you can drive traffic using Bing ads to your post or to your e-learning platform. And fifth bonus about the vendor bonuses, which you will be getting it inside the membership site. So if you are looking to create your own e-learning platform like Udemy, then this is a perfect course for you, which you will be getting it just for $27. So make sure you click the first link in the description below to land onto my bonus page. To avail my bonuses with this EduPay, just click any one of the pink color icon which I mentioned it here before 3 days so that you can avail my bonuses. That's it in this video. I'll be seeing you in the another video. Bye.